If you're looking for something to brighten up your late summer landscape, I've got a great plant for you. Look at the brilliant colors here. Bright, vibrant, energetic. This is Purslane, and Purslane is amazingly heat tolerant. It produces these gorgeous flowers in many shades of oranges, reds, magenta, yellows, really hot colors to energize and invigorate your landscape. Not only is it heat tolerant, but it's also drought tolerant. The foliage of Purslane is succulent. It is able to store water. And so you can see these Purslanes in these hanging baskets. They're a great choice because baskets dry out so fast this time of the year. Well, the Purslane can tolerate those drier conditions and still do very well. The flowers open in the morning. The plant closes up at night, so don't put this someplace where you'll be out in the evening where you want to enjoy flowers. They won't be around then. Put it out where you can enjoy it during the daytime when the flowers are open and beautiful. Lots of bees and butterflies will visit these plants, so if you're a pollinator gardener, this works in well with your pollinator gardens as well. In addition to hanging baskets, you can put these in containers, mixed containers with other plants. They look beautiful, kind of cascading over the edge, softening the edges of containers. They will bloom until the first freeze in November or December, so you really get your money's worth. So think about checking out your local nurseries now. Look for some Purslane and use it freely in beds, in containers, and in hanging baskets for bright, vibrant color all through the late summer and into the fall. Forget it growing. I'm Dan Gill with the LSU AgCenter.